Hello, welcome back again today to my channel. My name is Priscilla Presley and I am back again today with another exciting video. Today guys, as you can see from the title of this video, I am going to be showing you guys how you could quickly make your own DIY mask. I know a lot of people have been complaining about how it's so difficult to get materials to use in this time of need. So I just came up with an easy way with easy access materials that you could use in making a mask at home without having no excuses, guys. So I hope you guys are taking the proper precaution or the proper hygiene that you're supposed to take to protect yourself and your loved ones. So guys, I am going to be taking you guys now and I'll be showing you how to DIY this mask using just 3 things. Okay guys, and please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit on the red button there, and also comment on the comment section, and please like this video and also share this video with your friends and family so they can also benefit from this amazing DIY, guys. I thank you guys so much for everything you have been doing for me, and I thank everyone who has been a part of my journey here on YouTube. I could never do this without you guys, and I thank you guys every day, and I appreciate all your work that you have been putting into me. I thank you guys very much, and I pray for you every day, and I hope we could get through this hard time that we are in right now. I thank you guys so much. So I'm going to be taking you guys and I'll be showing you how I'm going to be making this DIY for you guys. So please stay tuned. I love you guys, and please keep watching. These are the materials I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a hairband, and I'm also going to be using a stapler here. I'm also going to be using a napkin here, and this is supposed to be like a napkin. It's tissue, but I'm going to be using this because it's very soft and it's very smooth, and it could also give it some kind of protection, but it's not spreading it to other people. So just so you guys know, it's not going to prevent you from kind of protection. So if you have these and you have the stapler and also the elastic, you'll be good to go. And this is how my paper towel looks like. This is what it is. Says Sharp Original. So this is what I'm using for my DIY mask. So if you find something like this, will be helpful. If you don't have this tissue, if you don't want to use the tissue, you can use an old t-shirt and also find a way. I have a t-shirt that I wanted to use, but I can't find it right now, so I'll probably maybe have to do a video to show you guys how you could use the old t-shirt and use with the rubber bands to make a little mask that will at least protect you a little bit. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut out this part of the tissue for my mask. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be folding it front and back like so. It's going to go back and front, and then back and front, and then back, and make sure everything is, you know, flat. It's laid flat down, and then I'm going to go front and back, front and back, front and back, guys. It's very easy. Less than 5 minutes you'll be done. So you have no excuse not to have a mask on, guys. Just do this to protect yourself and your loved ones, okay? So after folding it, this is how everything is going to be, and if you open it, it looks like a hand fan. So this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to just make sure I fold everything right back there nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the rubber bands and just put it here like so. I'm going to put it above the head of, I just, you know, put it in like that because I'm going to use a stapler now to staple it. So I'll staple the tissue with a rubber band like so, like this. This is how it looks like. It stretch out, so it's like inside of it. So you hold it like this. So I'm going to staple it together, but make sure you don't staple your hand so you don't hurt your hand while using this way, using it this way. So I'm going to be stapling that with the rubber band from just one part of it here, this part of it, not the whole rubber band. The other part is showing here. So I'm going to just staple it down. So now it's stapled down. So see, this is what it's going to come to. See, it's now stapled to the tissue. So I'm going to go back again. I come back this way and do the same thing that I did on the other side. I just have to make sure everything is flat. It's laid down flat like that. So we're going to do the same thing on this part going to be using my rubber band again. But make sure it's on the same side. See, this is on this same side that I'm using on this side. So I'm going to take it over the tissue again and just hold it like so. This is how it's gonna look like. So all we're gonna use is just this part of it. We're just gonna staple this part of it. So I'm gonna use a stapler and just staple it. I'll move my hand away so I don't staple my hand. It's gonna hurt if you staple your hand. So you gotta be careful while doing this. So we're gonna go take it down. Oh, okay, I missed it. So I'm gonna do it again because I didn't staple out the hair band, the less elastic here, guys. So I'm gonna do it again because I did miss that. So make sure everything is stapled down together. So now I got it. So you see both staplers are in the same angle like that. You see how they are? So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and just flip it into the tissue. I'm going to take it in like so. So I'm bringing it like out. This is the outward of the mask. So I'm going to bring it in like so. So if I bring it in, this is how it's going to look like here, guys. It's going to come in like this. So I'm going to go back this way too and just flip it in like that, like so. So now we're going somewhere. So this is how our mask is going to be. It's now becoming like a mask, as you can see. There we go. We have a mask here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on so you guys can see how my mask looks like. So I have the two rubber bands. So all I have to do is just go on my face like so, and then put it around in my ear on the other side, and I'm gonna go again do the same thing on this side, guys, like so. And now we have our mask ready. See how easy it is? 5 minutes, it's done. Less than 5 minutes, guys. So this is how your mask is gonna look like. See, if you don't tell somebody, they wouldn't know. Is you use a napkin to do this mask. It's very easy and inexpensive, guys. So try this at home and please let me know in the comment section how you see it. Okay, so you guys try making masks and please stay safe with your family at home. Okay, so I'm going to take it off now. So we take it off and there we go. This is our mask here. It's ready. Very inexpensive. Once you have the band and the tissue, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about complaining about you not having anything to use for a mask. So guys, please take care of yourself and please remember to share and also comment on this video, guys. I love you guys. I thank you guys so much for everything you've been doing for me, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.